Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you my skincare haul that I did in the hot pink sale of Nykaa. I've done quite a bit of damage, but most of it belongs to makeup category. So I just wanted to get done with the skincare products so that I can start putting out the makeup content. So let's quickly get started. The first product that I got is from the Face Shop, and this is going to be my first ever product purchase from Face Shop. I never got anything from Face Shop. I don't know why. But yeah, I was running out of my Garnier micellar water, so I thought, why not give this a try. I wanted the all clear one, but I ended up getting the Rich Water Bright cleansing oil from the Face Shop, and this is how it looks. I'm going to upload a reel showing you this in action, but it's really good. I mean, it's thick because it is called the Rich Cleansing Oil. They have a water based version also, I guess, but this one is quite thick. It's oily, but it does break down all of the makeup, and your skin becomes squeaky clean. But I think you need to go in with soap or something after this, because it does leave a kind of a residue. So that's the only thing, but it does clean the makeup effortlessly, and even the waterproof mascara and the transfer proof liquid lipstick, it does get rid of everything really well. And you need really less quantity, like just don't go ham on pumping the product out, because it's going to make you very oily and it's going to be difficult to get rid of later. But it really does do wonders. And the next product from the Face Shop is the Smart Peeling White Jewel Pearl. So I really wanted to get something, those peeling, those products that you put on your skin, and they start taking off your dead skin. I don't know what it is with them, what they put in it, but this really does an amazing job. Like, I tried it as soon as I got it. I really wanted to try a product like that, so I tried it the moment I got it, and it left my skin so smooth. Like, I feel this should be used once a week or so, once 2 weeks maybe, because it does make your skin really soft. I don't know what wizardry is this, but it's a really nice product. I went with the OG moisturizer from Clinique, that is the Moisture Surge, although this is the 100-hour variant. Everybody and their mothers know this, and I have used the 72-hour one before, so I know it is really good. That I'm gonna try for the first time is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Believe it or not, I haven't used this yet, so I'm really excited to try this out. Yeah, so there is that. I'm really excited for this. I might make a reel, so keep an eye out for that. And lastly, I had this buy one get one deal on on Body Cupid. So I got this chocolate scrub from them. It is delicious. Like, I don't think it works that well, or I don't know what ingredients. It is quite harsh on the skin, so scrubbing wise or skin health wise, I don't think it's my favorite, but the smell is heavenly, so I'll keep purchasing this. This is my second tube, and I got the golden 24 karat variant in this, which is sitting in my bathroom currently. I think I should get it and show you the deal that I got. I really wish I had got two of this, because this I'm not a big fan. It just has a bunch of shimmer and it's not that effective of a scrub. So my recommendation would be get this. Hoard this if you like the fragrance, of course, because the fragrance lasts on you for the entire day that you use that. And be gentle with it. It's just like, don't scrub it too harsh. So yeah, that was my tiny skincare haul. My makeup haul is going to be humongous, so I'm gonna divide it in parts, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.